Welcome back to Noor Flavors of Ramadan powered by Luna. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. अब देखिए इस एपिसोड के बाद आपके पास शो ऑफ करने के लिए 3 चीजें होंगी. एक डिश फ्रॉम टुनीशिया, एक डिश फ्रॉम इजिप्ट, तीसरी चीज जो है शो ऑफ करने की वो मैं आपको अभी बताऊंगा ना. अगर आपका मन कर रहा है कि आप बाहर जाके इफ्तार करें, आज लेजी फील कर रहे हैं कि यार डिश तो बहुत अच्छी थी लेकिन अब बनाने की एनर्जी नहीं है, मन भी नहीं कर रहा है, बाहर चलते हैं, तो बाहर कहां जाना है ये भी आपको मैं बताऊंगा ना.
Punjab Grill at the Venetian Village at the Ritz-Carlton Grand Canal in Abu Dhabi is a Patiala restaurant with a view of the well-lit canal. The beautiful and welcoming warm decor, great service and finger-licking food leaves the guests pampered and satisfied every time they experience this restaurant. This Ramadan season, Punjab Grill has done something different for iftar, keeping with the same levels of innovation and mouth-melting food.
For Ramadan, my team of 15 chefs and myself, we got together at least 3 months prior and we worked on the menu, and we were offering completely new dishes for the iftar. None of them are being featured on the a la carte menu. So the menu is specially crafted or curated for this Ramadan, and what we try to do is introduce more dishes from Northwest India, which is what Punjab Grill is famous for, and we try to give our own flavors to it basically.
Iftar at this Punjabi restaurant serves you dishes on the table from a preset iftar menu.
This year for Ramadan at Punjab Grill Abu Dhabi, what we've done is we've brought the buffet to the guest table in the sense that the guests can be seated at a table and the food will be served to them course by course without them having to get up and go and look for the food. What we're trying to do is offer them the selection on the table where you can select and choose whatever they feel like having, and you can always ask for more food to be served to the table.
Keeping the iftar customs and traditions in mind, guests break their fast with a plate of dates, nuts and drinks. That's followed by a paya ka shorba. A platter of appetizers include kebabs, assorted dips, interesting chaat samosa and roasted papads. The main course keeps to its roots of a typical Punjabi affair with bhindi do pyaza, keema chole, paired with buttered kulchas. The meal ends with an exotic combination of the season's favorite desserts, sheer kurma and malpua, served together. With food wastage kept at its bare minimum, Punjab Grill's work towards creation, innovation and goodness makes them a restaurant par excellence.